Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I am recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, this was a long-term activity record which indicated that buyers were coming in and the volume was also high. The value area placement was towards the higher side. So, in such a kind of scenario, trend is strong. So, buyers are coming in. That was what my view. And if you see, yesterday it was a ledge formation. So whenever a ledge is being formed, next day we need to see how ledge is being respected. So you can see that market opened below the ledge, the POC area, and it went up and again it came down and it closed exactly at the wedge area, that POC. So initially, since we had a bullish view, that was buyers were in control. Yesterday, the volume delta was also very high in the buying side, so I had a bias that today will be a buying side. So when market opened below that POC and when it crossed the previous day value area, I was in a mood that to take a buying side. So opening was inside value area, so we need to expect for a non-trend day. So this was a trade which I entered. You can see the time also here at around 9:55. That is at around this candle. So when the value area high was broken and when it came till the value area low, I thought here it will take a support and it will move up. So here I was not disciplined. I'll tell many reasons. You know my strategy. When I take a red candle, after that a green candle should be formed. I did not wait for that. I was bit eager in taking the trade. That is why I lost in this. Here also you can see confirmation was not there in the green side. It was all red. So this was a trade which I took due to me not being disciplined. So I lost that trade. But since it was a at around that resistance area, I just kept a small stop loss. So first trade was, even though it was a loss, it was a small loss. Why I took that loss is that I was having a perception that it will be a huge rally because yesterday it had a big delta, that too in positive side. This was the second trade, so I entirely changed my view because it was clear that sellers are prominent. So here you can see at around 1 o'clock when the market again rallied high. You can see when again market rallied high and I took a trade at around 1 o'clock when it took a support. It is that value area where in the buy side, that value area we thought it will be a support, but it acted as a resistance. So in this area, I took a trade and I was able to capture around 30 points. But it could have been better because what I understood from my trade is that my stop loss should be at around this POC. This is the previous day value area and this is the POC. So somewhat around that point, I should have kept the stop loss. So here, if you see around 60 point is there. So my delta was around zero point 0.5. So we need to consider 30 point stop loss. So target around 60 points. That was easily attained. So that is how we need to trade. Here the Bollinger Band setup also worked brilliantly. So that's the kind of trade we need to take. So one trade I was not disciplined, other trade I was disciplined. But I need to improve on keeping the stop loss as well as taking a huge rate. Stop loss is somewhat okay now, but at least if we keep us somewhat bigger stop loss, we can take a huge rate. So we need to study to develop that skill. So now I have just I'm improving on my taking target from 10 points to 15, 20, and now I've moved on to 30 points. So like that, I'm improving it. We'll see how it is being worked out. Thank you.